Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to continue our series, full mock series, sectional mock series for the logical reasoning section, right? So we are practicing 25 questions in this series every day. The levels of questions are slightly varying with each passing day. So today it is somewhat similar to what I had got yesterday only, and tomorrow I'll get a more mixed and a more better question approach based on tier 2. So tomorrow we'll do that, right? So let's start the session, but before I start, thank you so much for those students who had participated yesterday and put their scores actually after the session got over in the comment section. So good job to all of you. Congratulations to all of you, those who are scoring good. And I think so far you must have understood that the level of the reasoning is normally at par the CGL level only, whatever I'm getting so far. Most of them are CGL previous year questions only, or maybe SSC questions from here and there from other exams or cross examination questions. But the idea here is, if your section seems to be easy, you need to focus on saving time. So that is where a lot of us are lagging, and that is where this might be a problem. This might create a problem. So work on it. Don't look at the difficulty level of the questions. The idea here is, if it is easier here in this particular section, learn to save more time. If you are doing it in 25 minutes, try to pull it to 22, 23, maybe 20 also if possible. That is how you need to push yourself better, right? Don't just be satisfied with, like, okay, I'm 25 minutes is sufficient, I'm able to do it. No, maybe the section is being designed in such a way that it was meant to be done in 20 minutes, but you are taking 25. So accordingly, keep tweaking whatever you are trying to do. Now, before we begin here, I'll just give you a good update. By now, I expect all of you to be well versed with that update. That update is that Oliveboard has launched this wonderful course, keeping your SSC CGL preparation in mind, right? So this caters to the SSC practice, known as the SSC Super Practice course, wherein you will be getting 1,000+ tests, which are divided topic wise. Now, 1,000+ tests does not mean that they are just random tests. These tests are broken down topic wise. So each chapter, each subject is broken down topic wise, and each topic holds 6 tests. Okay, 6 distinct tests. And what are those tests? Level 1, level 2, level 3. These 3 levels are easy, medium, hard for practice. Then level 4 is based on, the next test is based on previous year questions. The next 5th test is based for your is given there for your speed improvement, and the last test is for revision. Okay, so 6 tests. If you attempt 6 tests in one subject, in one topic, you will be thoroughly done with the topic. Completely, your accuracy and speed both are taken care of, and it is covering both tier 1 and tier 2. So it's actually a boon for CGL aspirants. Go ahead and check that. I'll just give you a demo here. If you go to the reasoning section, you pick out any one topic. Let's say you pick up puzzles and arrangement. So you will get 6 questions here, 6 tests here for puzzles and arrangement part 1, part 2 and part 3. Puzzles and arrangement itself is broken into 3 subparts. Okay, so a total of, you can see, 18 tests for puzzle and arrangements again alone. So that is the level of depth and detail which is available for you, and these 3 tests you can take, and then these 3 will be gradually available when you are done with this, right? So go ahead and check this feature out. It's actually highly beneficial for students who are preparing for the SSC CGL exam. Now let's start with today's fresh session. Timer is set. Answers in the chat box, everybody. Okay. In a certain code language, this is it. So how is F related to C? F related to C. So C is the wife of D. D divided by E, D is the mother of Is there something wrong? How is F related to C? So it's, and F divided by G, F is again the mother of, its son's daughter is not given. Daughter's daughter is the only option here. I think there is some error here. I believe this should have been the, so E minus F was, he is the father of. There's something wrong in this question, probably some typo mistake. Let's ignore this and move on to the next one. This is pretty easy. No, it's incorrect, Avijit. It happens, don't worry. Okay, this is pretty easy. What exactly is happening here? 16 is being multiplied by 2 and increased by 1. Similarly, 19 is being multiplied by 2 and increased by 1. And 16 is being multiplied by 4 and increased by 3. 19 is also being multiplied by 4 and increased by 3. Okay. Or maybe you can do it from here also, into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That also works. So that way is multiply by 2 plus 1. This fits the bill, 22 and 45. Okay. Others don't. So option A is the only correct answer here. Okay, cool. Next. Yeah, I mean difference 2 times difference actually is true because it's just being multiplied. It's a simple, very simple punch basically. Okay, CGL previous year question, when you open this up, so this will form a triangle here like this and this is what will happen. So option C is a clear answer here, no doubts about that. Simple symmetry is helping us here. Correct, very good. Okay, now 12 to 39 is into 3 plus 3. Again same into 3 plus 3. Again same into 3 plus 3, but this is not correct, not following. This is into 3 plus 2. So option C is the odd one out. Easy. Next. Correct. So 2 will flip first. So 2 is flipping everywhere. D, it's an incorrect flip. Then 4 will flip, it is the same. Then this is the same. Then 3. After 4 we have this sign, okay, and after this sign we have 3. So this will also go. 3 is the correct flip, and this is what is going to decide. You can see if it is this, then option A works out to be the correct answer, because option B is the same only. Option A is the right answer. Okay, checking, looking at 9 also could have helped, by the way. Next. It's a simple approach of rotating. Correct, 45 degrees anti-clockwise. So option A will be the correct answer once again. This is also pretty simple, nothing much. If we just take a product here, and increase them by 11. So 6 plus 11 is 17 and 10 plus 11 is 21. So I think this follows. 3 into 4, 12 plus 11 is 23. So option A is the correct answer. Easy. Now see, basically if you look at this number, so what exactly is happening? This is 18 square plus 54. You can take this to be true, right? 324 plus 54 is 378. And if I say this is 14 square plus 14, that is not making sense. If I just multiply them, 21 and 18. Okay, if I just multiply 18 and 7 and 3, what do I get? (18 plus 3, right? So this is 378. And if I multiply 14 and into 14 plus 1, 5 into 3, it's 210. Yeah, so basically we're just multiplying these two numbers and we are tripling the number. So which one follows it? This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Option A is the right answer. Cool. Next. Correct, Abhijit. Absolutely right. Now in this case, 2, 4, then 8 and 10. So we're just increasing by 2. So we'll start with 6 here. Okay. And 22, 20, 16, 14. So just subtract 2. So we'll get R. Option D is the right answer. Cool. So UWX, option A seems to be the absolute correct answer here, right? So U will remain the same, but W will flip not like this. It's not the water image basically. Then after that X is the same, and for J it will definitely flip here, not the same. So option A is the correct answer. Easy. Option elimination. Okay, this one we have done a similar question. So option C will be the correct answer. Why? Because this is completing the square here when it is being opened. It will not be a rhombus at all, and it cannot be distinct square. So option C is the clear answer. Yes, Sugar Daddy plays and Avijit, absolutely right. Next. The rest of you please answer, guys. This is very easy. Right away you can get the answers. You can know what is the pattern. So can we call it BANANA, 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 BANANA? So I think this has to be NA only. There is no option here. So ANB, AN, ANB, AN. Option D is the only one which makes sense. Okay. Can't get easier than this, guys. Chinese coding, single word is asked and 4 distinct options are given. We need the code for food. So what will we do? We'll delete all these codes. AO, BO, CO will delete. So AO, BO, CO is deleted. So option C is the only one which is left for food. I think it's very simple, direct GK based. If Egypt has the river Nile, Russia and Mississippi is absolutely not correct. This one is a close one for a lot of people, but Mekong is not flowing in South Korea. It flows in the South China Sea and covers Vietnam and other countries, but not South Korea. Colorado is in the North America, not in Brazil. Brazil is in South America. So Myanmar, Irrawaddy is the correct answer, which is option D. So it, this time they're asking for it. Now in these two, only it is the common one. Okay, so in these two, VC is the common one. So VC will be the code for it. Option B is the correct answer, right? Next. This is actually very interesting. See, now out here, what is the pattern which is happening? A is just moving here, triangle is moving here, P is going here, but this arrow is coming on the top and flipping. This is just flipping downwards. Now again, A is moving here, triangle is moving here, P is moving on the top and flipping again. This is moving as it is here, and this is again flipping. So the idea is whatever is coming on the top left corner is flipping basically. Okay. So A will come on the top and will flip. It will become like this. So this is gone. This is gone. Okay. And rest everything will remain the same. They'll just change the position. So this is this, this is this, and this will be on the top. Okay. And where do we find that? Option B. Wait. Okay, it's also flipping here. It's also flipping from here to here. But that did not make a difference because we found it from the options. Okay, see. So no river is a mountain. Some rivers are animals. Some birds are mountains. No animal is a mountain. Can't say that. Some animal is not a mountain is true. Some animal is not a mountain. Some bird is not a river is true. But we can't say no animal, and no river is a bird. Again, we can't say that. So neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Option B is the correct answer. Simple. This is not worth 30 seconds though. Yes. So what is happening here? 22, 20, 18, 16, 14. We'll start with N here, and it's only one option which is following, that is option B. Correct. What exactly is happening here? If you check the difference, 99 to 123, the difference is 24. Difference here is 27. Difference here is 30. Difference here is 33. What is happening? Double difference, you will see it is just increasing by 3. So the next one has to be 36. And if you increase 213, 36, you will get 249. Option D is the right answer. Cool. Any issue? Next. Okay, arrange in the English alphabetical order. So we'll start with E, 5, then 13, then 19, 19, 20, 25. I think only one remains on its position. Okay, how many letters will change? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will change. Option A is the right answer. Cool. See, now it is changing the signs. So into is replaced by divide, divide is replaced by into. This is plus, this is minus. Now if you divide this, this is 401. If you divide this by 2, this is 250 and 12.5, 262.5. So this is 2625. This is 73. It's pretty easy. So 6 minus 3, it will end in 3. Option C is the right answer. Cool. Next. So all fans are brown. All fans are brown. Some brown are chairs. Some chairs are plastic. Some brown are fans, absolutely right. Some chairs are brown, absolutely correct. No chair is plastic, not possible. Only 1 and 2 follow. Option C is the correct answer. Cakewalk. Yes. Correct. Good job, guys. Anjali, Avijit, correct. Ibn Battuta. Nice. So this is also pretty easy if you observe it like this: plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. But option B does not follow that logic, so option B is the correct answer. Looking at the difficulty level of questions today, it was pretty easy, and that ways, despite me explaining everything, if you're winding up the session in this time, I think it will be pretty good. It's a pretty good speed. All of you, good job guys. Into and divide. So this is 13, this is 24, 16, 29 minus 30. Next. Okay. So before we proceed to the last question today, small update to all of you. The reattempt feature is now live, and I have already shared this with you in all my sessions. I am telling you once again, utilize this for your benefit. It is actually very beneficial. Go ahead and check it out, and I am telling you already how to use it. Don't just reattempt it right away, because that will not make any sense. Obviously, you will remember everything. Once you're done with the mock and you're done with the complete analysis, after a few days, minimum 2 to 3 days later, you attempt that mock again, and supposedly you're supposed to attempt 10 mocks in a specific period of time. Then don't count this reattempt as another mock. This is a separate thing. Okay, you'll still count it as one attempt only, but you'll reattempt it as a fresh mock to see how much you retain and how much you remember. It's also going to help you boost your long-term memory. So check it out. This feature is exclusively available for super elite subscribers, guys. So be careful about that. And if you're looking to download the PDF of the session, you can download it from the updated Oliveboard application. Just select your examination here in the drop-down menu. Bottom right corner, courses, click on that. This page will open up. Scroll, you will reach YouTube class PDFs. Select your required class, click on it, you will get your PDFs right with you. And I told you two things today. In the beginning of the session, I spoke to you about the Super Practice, SSC Super Practice course. And before this, I also spoke to you about the reattempt feature. Both these features and an additional feature is exclusively available for the super elite subscribers. So this is the Super Practice kit which I spoke to you about. Then we have the reattempt feature which I spoke to you about. This is the other feature which I am talking to you about. Think like AIR1 series. So Shubham Agarwal, who had topped CGL 2024, that is last year, a score of 380 plus after normalization. Can you imagine? So that was the score. And so what he has done is he's attempted some mocks. He has attempted some his own previous year shifts, right? So from his perspective and what all he was thinking. So go ahead, this session is also going to be very useful to you. It's a whole series, and he has also provided some formula booklets. So check it out. Super Elite is actually very, very beneficial because it comes at a price of less than 2 courses, wherein you get additional benefits. Apart from that, all courses are unlocked. All mock tests with AI analysis are available, and 100 plus typing tests, PYQs and past live papers also will be there for you. So go ahead and check this feature out, and let's come back to the last question. It's interesting. And end this session. Namaskar, Ankit ji. It's pretty easy. The only problem is you will ask yourself, you will count yourself that whether I am right or not. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. That's it. We have 4 triangles here. Option C is the correct answer. Cool. With that, we'll end the session here today, guys. And I'll see you in the next session. Do not forget to post your scores. Today also we could do 24 questions because the first one was incorrect. So out of 24 questions, how many have you gotten correct? How many did you miss? How many did you answer incorrectly? So +2 minus 0.5, calculate your final score and put it in the chat box after the session is over. Do let me know what all you're looking for. I have already planned a series of sessions for you topic wise. So we'll pick up one topic every week. Okay. So that one session for topic based practice, and then we'll switch again to your mixed practice, right? So on that note, I'll end the session here, guys. Do like the session, share it across platforms, and subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Thank you so much for joining live. Bye bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. धन्यवाद अंकित जी.